So we're always trying to find where to find the parts for the cars that we work on in the shop. And we decided this year at SEMA to come to the OPGI booth and ask Tony, what's new at OPGI? Because I think you've got some things we need.
Yes, we definitely do. So this year we have our Buick Grand National, Regal, and T-Type catalog coming out.
Okay.
So we're super excited about that.
What years do they cover?
So 78 to 87 Buicks.
Okay.
Buick G-Mod.
Okay.
For that car, we have a lot of parts already. Thousands of parts are up on the website right now.
Cool.
But we're adding every single day. So,
Really?
So go on, keep checking OPGI.com. You'll find more and more stuff. But we also have some big news with Cadillac too.
Oh,
so I'm
good.
Super excited about that.
Lots of those in the shop, and those are really cool cars. So what do you got for Cadillac?
So for Cadillac, as crazy as it is, we're going 36 all the way up to 93 for Cadillac.
Wow.
So a wide range on what we already carry.
Do you have to build a new warehouse? That's going to be a lot of parts.
We may.
And Cadillacs are big parts.
They are big cars and big parts, yes. So we may need a new warehouse after this.
Wow,
Yes.
very exciting. So tell me some of the parts you have for the Grand Nationals and the Cadillacs.
So this year we have a bunch of new emblems for them, for both Cadillac and the Grand National.
Okay.
So all the emblems that you see on the car behind us, you will find in our catalog now.
That's a good thing that would need to be replaced, probably.
Exactly.
Okay.
They wear, they're all double-sided tape, so they probably will fall off eventually.
Right.
But we can definitely help you out with that. We have all new emblems. We actually took original GM emblems, reproduced them off of the GM emblems themselves.
Okay.
So they are going to be as factory correct as you're going to get on the market.
Okay, great. What other kind of price? Do you have any sheet metal? Or?
Oh, we have sheet metal for all the cars that we carry.
Okay.
So we also have a 70 Chevelle in our booth.
Yeah.
So if you want to build that car, we have the parts to do it in our catalog, which is the cool thing about it. So you can order everything from our catalog. It will show to your door.
I know you guys come up with catalogs pretty frequently. Do you recommend always going to the website for the most up-to-date parts?
Always go to the website for the most up-to-date parts. That's always changing, always updating. So our catalogs will come out once a year.
Okay.
But if you want new products, new pricing information, everything that you want available to you, go to opgi.com.
Okay. And do you feel like, what is a most often purchased Grand National part that you really are very proud of? What is the company, one of the best parts that you guys are creating?
I would say our interior products. We're really proud of all the interior products. Again, the interior that's in this car behind us, you can purchase from us, and it will fit in your car.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
We like that. What techniques have you done to improve what GM
Just better quality materials.
Okay.
But along with that, we have to make sure that the materials and the colors also match. So everything we want to do has to be original. That's why we're original parts.
Do you recommend if somebody has a door pull on the driver's side and a sun visor on the passenger side, do you recommend it's okay to order those at different times? They're probably going to match when they come back in, or is it like, well, maybe you should order them everything all at once?
You can do it both ways. So you can order everything at once if you're doing a full interior restoration.
Right.
You can order everything that you need.
Okay.
Or if you're piecemealing and you wanna order things at separate times, you can definitely do that. That's not a problem, and they'll match.
Awesome.
That's the better part.
That's what we like. That's what we wanted to hear.
Yes.
They're going to match. That's the best part. So tell me a little bit more about the Cadillac line. What other parts do you have there?
So for Cadillacs, we have new taillight lenses for 61, 63.
Okay.
We also have new emblems, grille, hood V emblems. We have a bunch of new stuff for Cadillacs. And then the early stuff is what we're really excited about. So we're going to be carrying sheet metal for that stuff.
Okay.
Back to 36. So we're really excited about that. We're covering a lot.
That's awesome. And your shirt says Resto parts, so tell me a little bit about that.
So Resto Parts is our original parts group brand. That is our brand. So we're really proud of it. That's what we. When you order a part that's made by Original Parts Group, it's going to show up with a Resto Parts box.
So you guys aren't just a warehouse; you're manufacturing these things as well.
Yes.
Tell me about that process. How do you go through? What do you get? A new part, say an original thing from a salvage yard or eBay or something.
Yeah.
You analyze it, send it out, get it remade.
Yep.
And then it's your job to take the original and the remade one and say, yes, this fits correctly.
Exactly. So
what a great job.
So the cool thing is, yes, exactly. Perfect example, our Riviera line.
Okay.
We're working on the windshield moldings.
Okay.
So we have a 64 Riviera in our shop. And so our big job is to basically take the windshield moldings around on that car.
Right.
And we're going to basically test fit original pieces, which we have.
Okay.
We know that they fit.
Yep.
And then we're going to send those out and we're going to have them remanufactured. When we get new examples back, we test fit them back on the car to make sure that they fit exactly like the originals.
That's awesome. Well, we appreciate you guys taking that effort to make sure that the parts are like the original parts and fit like the original parts. That is so important when we're trying to do a restoration, and it's really great that our viewers can come to you guys and expect that from us. So we appreciate you guys doing that work. Good job.
Thank you. We really appreciate it, and we're really proud of it. That's what we're proud of. We want to basically take original parts, but we want to make sure that the end user is going to get back the quality product original.
Okay, and what other lines of cars do you guys cover?
So we do GTOs, we do Skylarks, Tempest, Cutlasses. We also do Chevrolet G-bodies, so your 78 to 88, Monte Carlo, El Camino, and Malibu lines.
So you guys are really getting out a lot of options now.
We're busy.
That's fantastic. Well, where can our viewers learn more about the other products that you carry?
The best place to go, again, is OPGI.com.
Okay.
Again, that's where you're going to find the most up-to-date parts.
Well, we appreciate your time and helping us put these cars back together.
Awesome.
Thank you.